The importance of breastfeeding for both baby and mother is well recognized, as breast milk is a custom-made form of nutrition that changes as a baby grows. It is easier to digest than formula and is species-specific, helping to protect against multiple infectious diseases in infancy, sudden infant death syndrome, and possibly also reducing the likelihood of obesity in childhood and later in life. Breastfeeding also has benefits for mothers too. It can help support healthy post-pregnancy weight loss, delay the return of menstruation, and also potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as ovarian and breast cancers. The World Health Organization, Health Canada, the Canadian Pediatric Society, Dietitians of Canada, and the Public Health Agency of Canada all recommend that healthy-term infants are exclusively breastfed for the first 6 months, after which complementary foods can be introduced while breastfeeding continues for 2 or more years. Unfortunately, many women experience difficulties breastfeeding and can feel an immense amount of guilt when they are not able to breastfeed their child. In addition, more mothers were breastfeeding exclusively for 6 months or more, some 26% in 2011 to 2012 compared to 17% in 2003. Importantly, the data from 2011 and 2012 show that mothers who breastfed exclusively for 6 months or more tended to be in their 30s or older. It is important to offer guidance and education for both mothers and fathers raising children, with an emphasis on the long-term benefits breastfeeding may have for the whole family. Breast milk is designed to nourish an infant and help in the formation of a strong immune system. After birth, immunoglobulins from the mother are passed to her baby via breast milk. Normally, stomach acid is strong enough to break down and destroy these antibodies, but in the case of breast milk, the mother's mammary glands package immunoglobulins with a protective substance that allows them to reach the infant's intestine. From here, the immunoglobulins are absorbed into the bloodstream and can move throughout the body, searching for any harmful foreign substances. The invention of formula and antibiotics has helped to decrease infant mortality, but without supplemental support, these can cause gastrointestinal side effects that may ultimately affect the child's overall health and well-being.